something. I smell something, Daddy.
You smell something.
I'm an animal.
You smell an animal?
I don't smell a deer.
You don't smell a deer?
No.
What is it you smell?
I'm my dad over there.
Yeah, over there?
Wait, I see my deer over there.
You see your deer over there?
Yeah, way there.
Way over there, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
I found it way over there.
You found your deer way over there?
Yes. It's way down the hill.
He's way on the hill, huh?
He's way down there.
Yeah, I bet he is.
He's
You know why he's way down there?
Mm-hmm.
'Cause he hears you talking all that up here.
He can hear me up here.
Yeah, he can hear you up here.
Yep, he can. He can hear me talking too.
He can hear you talking too?
Yes.
You think he hears that?
Yes.
He probably does. I love you, baby.
Let me go.
Let you go. I ain't holding you. You see that picture?
Yes.
How about that?
We can take a picture.